How to fix WhatsApp error 403 or 500 on iPhone. Getting a mysterious error 403 or error 500 on WhatsApp. These server or permission related errors can be frustrating, but don't worry. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to fix them on your iPhone. Start by force closing WhatsApp. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe the app off to close it. Then restart your iPhone to refresh and install background services. Errors 403 and 500 may occur due to poor or unstable internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also toggle airplane mode on and off, like this. To reset your network, open the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and check if there is an update. Running an outdated version of app could be incompatible with WhatsApp servers. If you suspect a network misconfiguration, go to Settings, go to General, go to Reset, and tap on Reset Network Settings. Note that this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords, so reconnect afterwards. If you're still seeing the error, check that WhatsApp has all the necessary permissions. Go to Settings, WhatsApp, and make sure contacts, microphone, camera, and background app refresh are enabled. And that's about it. As a temporary workaround, you can log into web.whatsapp.com using WhatsApp Web to continue chatting until the error is resolved. One of the fixes should help you resolve error 403 or 500 on WhatsApp for iPhone. If this helped you, consider liking and subscribing for more WhatsApp tips.